What's the meaning of banner ad? Banner ad. Banner ad.
Banner ad. Banner ad. A banner ad is a type of online advertising that appears on websites and mobile apps in the form of a rectangular graphic or image. The purpose of a banner ad is to attract potential customers and promote a product or service. Banner ads can be static or animated and typically include a call to action, such as, "Buy now," or "Learn more." They are usually placed at the top or bottom of a web page or app screen, or along the sides. Banner ads can be targeted to specific demographics or interests and often use cookies and other data tracking methods to optimize their effectiveness.